Listen to the sentences. Listen and repeat.
How is your health? How is your health? How is your health? How is the family? How is the family? How is the family? How's your business? How is your business? How is your business? Will you dine with me? Will you dine with me? Will you dine with me? Your voice is too low. Your voice is too low. Your voice is too low. Please tell me. Please tell me. Please tell me. He will come tomorrow. He will come tomorrow. He will come tomorrow. He will come tomorrow. Perhaps. 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 I saw it with my own eyes. I saw it with my own eyes. I saw it with my own eyes. He went to the station. He went to the station. He went to the station. Go straight. Go straight. Go straight. Take your book. Take your book. Take your book. Keep calm. Keep calm. Keep calm. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck.